Hello guys, so we're gonna continue the, the video of the business of the science and the educational choice business. So let's continue what we start. Now let's move on to the next section. First, edit this section here. You can add item. You can manage the link editor here, the web address and the file, email and the phone. Now let's move on to the design. So you can change the wave intensity, and the wave width, the text size. That's it. Here you have first to delete this image and add another one. Select from library, go to the free image and search for science and educational tools or educational choice. So you can describe whatever you like here on the search, something you're looking for. So this is just for example, so I'm gonna choose this or this for example. That's it. Also here you can change the paragraph of this text and the shop, the label I mean, and the background you can just select a simple art, so like this. That's it. Also here you can change the wave intensity and the text size like this. That's it. Here first you have to delete this, add another one here. Science and educational choice. So I'm gonna choose this, and the second one, so put it here beside it. So for example I'm gonna choose this, keep it just like this. That's it. And now you can select just a simple art on the background. Also here you can select just a simple art. So here you have to first delete this, and you can add for example a map. So if you want to edit it, you can go here and change the business name and the address, the city and the state and the country. After this, you can change the design, dark or whatever you like, and the last thing here is select a simple art. So that's it. This is the last section. So add in just a simple art, and here you can change the location and the hours and the contact. So that's it. After you're done from designing this website, for example, you can go to the selling section. So here you can add the product to your inventory. You can choose the the type of your product, physical, for example this physical product. So you can click here and go and customize the price of your products, and add the name of your products, uh, customize the price, and you can add image, and that's it. After this, add the way to get paid. You can choose one of these here, the store payments, and after you choose add the way to get paid, you can choose the subscription plan. So you can choose if you wanna you can select here a plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award winning customer support. Prices do not include applicable checks taxes. You can choose if you want to pay annually or pay monthly. So it's better to pay monthly. So this is the most popular plan you can select. So after this, the last step is publish, and publish your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your website on Squarespace for educational and science choice business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.